What if the first iPhone only let you make calls but still change the world, right? That's the power of an MVP. Do you know what an MVP is? If you're still watching this video, hold up. I will be teaching you what an MVP is, how to build an MVP, and why an MVP should stand out. Welcome to That Product Girl channel. An MVP stands for Minimum Viable Product, which is the simplest version of a product that solves a core problem, built to test with real users and to gather feedback before scaling. And it stands out because it solves the core problem. How to build an MVP. In this part, I'll be taking you through 4 steps in building an MVP. Step 1. Identify the core problem and pain points you're solving. As a product manager, ask yourself, what pain points are you solving? When you focus on a real user's problem, the MVP becomes a solution with purpose, not just a random feature set. Back then, people couldn't book taxis easily, and then a product that solved that major problem then was Uber. And Uber fixed that problem by providing solutions to difficulty, finding transportation in a convenient and reliable way. Step 2. Build only the essentials. In this part, the essentials are key or must-have features that are solving that problem that a user keeps on experiencing. For example, Dropbox started with a simple explainer video, no app, just validation. They aimed to solve the problem of keeping files synchronized across multiple devices. Then people used to struggle managing their files, relying on external devices that would later get lost or get infected. Yeah. And Dropbox saw that particular problem that users were experiencing and solved that issue. Step 3. Launch and test. Put it out there, even if it is rough. Every launch builds momentum. You might think you know what users want, but only real users can tell you what they truly want. Step 4. Learn, improve, and repeat. Use feedback to grow your MVP into the next big thing. Because MVPs are not the final product. Remember, each test gives a chance for your product to improve. You're building something with users in mind, not just for them. The MVP is just the starting point, a simple version to test your assumptions. If you treat it like the final version, you'll miss key feedback that shapes real success. As a product manager, you should remember most great products that you see today didn't just start great, but they became great through constant iterations. They evolved. So remember today, test, learn, and grow. Why should an MVP stand out? If your MVP looks like all other apps out there solving the same thing, why should anyone care? Let's be honest, no one remembers something bland. Standing out doesn't mean overbuilding, it means being memorable for one thing. Standing out helps users to remember your product. If your MVP doesn't stand out, it blends into the background noise of the internet. The 3 products I love their journey or processes of becoming are Dropbox, Instagram, and Uber. First, Dropbox is a file hosting service that offers cloud storage, where security never comes second. If you might ask me, how did Dropbox stand out? Dropbox stood out by showing, not telling. Like I said before, Dropbox started with a simple explainer video, no app, just validation. Second, Instagram, which we all use to connect with friends, watch and share reels, send messages, post recent updates, and is mostly like exploring the features that are on these products, seeing what people are up to, and what new trends are buzzing. Third would be Uber, Uber started as an app to book luxury cars, simple, private, and no cash needed. It solved one pain point, which is I need a ride now. No waiting. Yeah. They focused on solving one clear problem with technology, then scaled it by learning and adding value step by step. In the end, it's not just about building a product, it's about solving real problems, one simple solution at a time. So, whatever you're building, whatever plan, whatever idea, keep it focused and most importantly, keep learning.